And then I John Mohammed Chechi. And then no Chechi. Basia bro, yampe. You see, I've been talking for 8 years.
Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in SEM TVGH so what friend me Addo searching. Ebusafo ye na yati arehosema abetuja ejebo ejana bedu. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by 2024 year to abamano I swear in on the 6th January a obefa Ghana konyano. Koko akuafosi wontua wonka o. Na omo train se koko no mba hoton no mdo musika abre omo no. Ena de dey see ni say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ena no ato forcing. Ato me person bisa say Yankopon otesoro ni nto ntumi in strike NDC fu no mu di ntro no. Because make me understand. So wuja cocoa price 400 something. NPP are buying ebefa ba 3001. Mo ye bold. Enya audacity, the nerves. Ebe catch Ghana for say want to abama mo. Na mo ba mbema cocoa price now cost 6,500. Which mo ya wunim say when it comes to cocoa, when it comes to fuel I buy no any control over these things. How many times they say you can? And again, fuel prices are cost. Fuel prices are cost. Fuel prices are cost. Fuel prices, and so you're buying the control fuel prices. National market, no price ebe kono, and affect Ghana. So Ghana phone TBBA. He says John Dramani Mahama cocoa. The mood say mo ankasa cocoa mo tia. Ice cream kra mo ntimi fe binye. Mo koton na mo discount dey abetua adwuma cocoa akuafonika. And so propaganda nti na munim say na Addo kro bo modi na Addo kro bo modi no tua sa 3001 no nso mutimi nya akokudru be ka che Ghana for say want to aba ne mama mo ba me mo 6,500 na mo ba ya mo ate so aba 2,500 na Nana Jantoa your journalist menu mie nya ni Nana Jantoa campaign o yeti a NPP abane campaign ketwa Nana Jantoa e den se abetuja o kire say he is even ashamed of himself. Na at the MPP for no more doing some way Jimmy and Anna and Addo do nye nipa na emoji enimu. Na Addo no ye nipa na emoja wo nemu. Mese mo Ghana journalist for ho. Mo sa asem bi si wo kromi ha. Bibi trigger e say wo ba mo na mo ebusuafo so first ansa na ordinary citizens no kwa no ye nyensu sanso because mo ya mambofo. Mo ye nipa bonefo. Journalists for mo kromi bebre na mo anyinyi mo ye mpenefo. So you should know say John Dramani Mahama enye aban say no matter what you have to aba emano because when Nana Jantoa won timi nka nche me say John Dramani Mahama na member from 2013 to 2016 no when hu e wa bra Ghana o mind to say Ghana na ye ambulance 15 po o mind to say Ghana John Dramani Mahama etimi list your friends and number of roads awaye egu your book him constituency ma betena sisi a ekwan no ifutu nko a nso green book mi say NDC fo aye say John Dramani Mahama na membu no bebu coin ne de na ye kun dum so sey amanfo adwuma okrom ya dum so kunipa wa Ghana ha journalist fu na mo ya aware so na mo ye propaganda tia na Addo even though say dollar ne rise ko do ahun kra na Addo gba no modern mo sida and da wo be ka say de na Addo de onye nipa na Addo no ye nipa e mo selfishness mo selfish interest and e de mo ko ho edemo eye na mo campaign ti NPP aban and aban na mo pen wa aba nti mo ye din o no journalist should complain keep quiet we are all enjoying the electricity bills ye do ntia water bill ye ntimi ntia just the prices of goods e kosoro and Ghana adwuma ye fa keche no matete so you can't think for you can't think madness Nana Jantoa say John Dramani Mahama de oye no na kuma kwa ye ne ya na de omo de ye na Addo no ade na Addo no ye nipa na John Dramani Mahama when we come is working oko 2 years ago 2 years I mean what we try 1 year 2 months once who left from all right come no at so ntem papa yenti ezema Nana Jantoa e de etuja
We would adjust and now say she be to us be as our problem no maybe it makes sense Abansi went to me and to because a kagu ho 2 world price now with the year projection no dollar no so yeah the na stronger into ama a BTA into the economy say for now na afei ya twɛn emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
ono
akotenam ka se we de mesrɛ mo adabraka yenye ni se yenye se eye kasa we say the point is that nobody would understand it defies common logic say market share 1,000 mi su osimete so about 800 ni emfa ne saa because sikani ho.
But is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projecting say nanko expect say nka be ni 6,000 wanye about 3,000 some to mu kakra bi ne ma no tua ne ka unya ntia ye twen so ba be ka nyansa samachre na osimate so because well but just a double stories sa sabi nsem hunu na MPP aban ye bi ane e ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook a enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the hwan me what say ka to politicians omunsia de o omunsia de na you see John Mahama we need to take the toughest decision into Akuffo Addo de ni wajimi.
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians who need nyansa nchen. School be no makwa chen. School be no makwa chen.
The level kwa no level.
What you say? President John Mahama wo PhD. Ne masters yesen. Addo. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And then here now fi problem e ba no. Enye nya ne betimi politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who wo nimdie bebre cha nkrofo bia omuye ministers ne DCEs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yentimi koma semna or your president today you superhuman. Enu bi no mo ye kan yo menti afi di Akuffo Addo. Ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinka no. Woman defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
But who be message akojo was say I can't come musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosion ni projection they say the na dada no. Says can they be bamana or they
don't have you see.
They say what is
you see when MPP a debt exchange program
affected
people you see politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians because they have people defending them no what you say but they are silent people they don't talk.
Yes.
And no be na me say me dey be catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the ME and say, I catch a phone and no person much say because say omunim kakrenti omudominyan say babeche so mu would the oka wa Jimmy. Another name before no. The idea say oka koko asem no what Jimmy unim the oka na dear you are hollow. Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow, dear baby.
Maybe a hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
they
don't get it. And some you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chimensa can't be.
Okay.
Or say, see I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters.
And the winner.
That's true. Makacho say MPP, NDC, omuni 44%. The floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near this.
Somebody they look at issues with political lens.
Exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Akuffo Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what power but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change aba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man you be komu, yare ye komu, yare bi okra bi mada. But because we love Ghana so much, ne duru be no, na ye yare because of Akuffo Addo. Ye be sorry ni akoma ye ya. Mina mini akoma yare. Akuffo Addo nti me nya akoma yare. So we don't want a situation where ye besa be sha ase ne ekikam e de no.
But don't you think that
Ah,
I mean, relax. I mean,
relaxing.
I mean,
Ka say.
Viewers, subscribers, mumpe in so be you na me fangu dog akoma na dog hitu
De no.
Don't you think say yeah nema basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions which will in the long run inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akuffo Addo take his tough decision no e affect no. This exchange no na tough decision. No, but I'm saying say Akuffo Addo tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akuffo Addo. They said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was the oye now koye so what do I say? Edru maybe when certain taxes na say for eba it no what the same bottom. Taxes no Akuffo Addo si edition bottom. And yes a campaigning against him. It now nim se cocoa sector no. Mama beto ka omujaka.
And MPP beto.
And MPP beto you know you omudie. And omaja bi eka because e ka bi we legacy.
Yeah, beto omuza.
A legacy where am okay mo so meja ka. Because se mo 4 years in beba no. Mo de ka e na beto aso.
I see. Let be e ka o.
E ka ye wonyoma bi wo ha e ka.
Ma mo yemfa politics ma di wem because cocoa dey affect obi a o. Share.
Boy there. Nani ejira guno koni na wantu dia ava price ndanka kono dia ko ejiri ni na
Mwa just look at this Ghana pani hey Ghana sa obo mine dia de obi ade kan o mine no eye koko ewiase nyina ade ba ko obi ade kai o mine no eye koko ade ba ko efiri tete abo Ghana ho bra abo Ghana ho ban a develop Ghana than any other products eye koko ena de hwe Ghana hwe koko awie o Ghana koko na de ye tutu na sesa no John Mahama enti John Mahama o da obetimi ada enti udidi abetimi adidi sa wonko a no mampanyine wa ba Ghana ya te koko obuo so koko obuo ahuri atimi akodu 3600 watimi ahwe nyanyimi anim ateso amana ba fom John Mahama enya wonko a openso na koko well price aba fom o enche kra President Akuffo time world market price of cocoa eba fom sabe President Mahama ni munyansa President Akuffo eni munyansa no odwene Ghana fo no ho ninti odwene cocoa fo ho odwene say cocoa ene ajapade a ebo Ghana ho branti okope ska baabi ana ode support ye ana otua akuafo ne ka wante so world price of cocoa reduce under Akuffo Addo esan say Akuffo Addo dwen o man no ho say cocoa ye baboon akuafo ho hia omadwuma omudi mo man no esombo no na na do kope ska baabi ana ode so ede ma omo. These were reduction of world price cocoa prices world cocoa prices na enya even the cost of Akuffo Addo and I say President Akuffo aban when so there John Mahama out of incompetence and negligence appointees away you or more omun botano no omo de kurase obi oya journalist and uni enim no all his life now the sector sensitive sector what bounty na unim de awu yenti wo de akwa akwose randia bensa one say appointees mienu mpanyimfo mienu ade omo ko ho Randy Abe and the other one no Mire finidin. Inse se omo betena se. Na nkoma toto niema ye niema ntem. No omakwa akoton koko no at the time na price no e wosoro no. Omo kontokwa. We se John Mahama ana appointe me. Entimi na me otumi. We se da bi John Mahama nso na appointe me entimi no nyina etumi ye pe. Ana nkwasiafo na ye die sika etu omo ka no.
bosome biaye ye de sika etu omoka omo ba amatoto cars akase dida mu no nkwasiafo no gu cocoa board ho no omo kontokwa inse so omo behwe so no man hyehyɛ no makoton cocoa no atena hɔ ama world market price na back from na ma create sa mess we ya wo do mahama wo ba fa kwan bi so na so apesika e de asoso atua ama akuafo no nko a wo time de wo si da bi wo negligence awaye incompetence awaye nkwasi asɛm amadi